Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to apply your eyebrows with the pomade as I did like so right here. Keep watching. I'm gonna get up a little close and personal. Just pardon me, I put on a beret. Parlez-vous? I have a beret on. How do you say parlez-vous eyebrows in French? Anyone? No? I certainly don't, but you cannot tell me that I'm not French with this beret on, friends. You have to excuse my makeup. I left my makeup bag at work. Exactly. I'm all messed up in here. I don't have the proper contour. I don't have my proper, I have my foundation. I don't have just a lot of missing pieces and parts to the day. So that's where we are. I'm sorry. Let's get into it right now. Hold on, let me turn this light down. This is a little bright. Much better. So today is all about how to apply your eyebrows with pomade. So I'm gonna come in super close so that you can get a good look at what's happening. But first, I'm gonna be showing you what I'm using. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Tattoo Studio 24-hour lasting eyebrow. I actually left my good makeup bag at work. Like my super duper ultimate makeup bag that has almost everything in life that I need. I'm using this. Let's get into it. So here's what my eyebrows look like, especially with just a little bit of makeup on them. You know how you apply your makeup and a little bit of your makeup gets on your eyebrows? Here we are. That's where we are at this moment in space and time. So as I'm a hot mess, I'll continue to get into my hot mess. Just keep watching. So just take your brush and swipe back and forth about 4 times until you have about this much product on your brush. And I'll show you how I like to apply my eyebrows. That's what I call it, applying my eyebrows, of course. So I like to start from here because the most product is on the brush at this time. And this is where I need it the most based on how my eyebrows are. And I like to go down. I don't like to go all the way down. And then I like to come at the top and fill it in at the top also. Then I bring it down because I'll have less product. So wherever your desired amount is. And if you see, like I don't really have much hair here. So that's why I bring it, that's why I start in this area. And then I like to go back to the beginning of my eyebrow and start drawing, filling in my eyebrow right here. Right? I like to go over the top just a little bit, like a little bit gently, a little bit lighter, because I don't want it really dark. And then I take the brush and go in between. Not to use too much. I turn the brush to the other side. I turn it over. And then I start to draw lines going upward, straight, small line. Just about 3 or 4. Straight up. I come up here, small lines. Turn the brush back over. I like to diffuse this area because I don't like really harsh lines. I bring this all the way to the beginning so that I've connected the area. Only because sometimes when I go down far enough or over far enough, I'm trying to make sure the line is as straight as possible. Okay? That's a pretty harsh line. But you'll take the brush and you'll get more product off of it. The more I go in, I'm diffusing those lines even more. And the other side has a brush. So you can brush these hairs upward if need be and the product in. So go back in with your brush if you see any areas that are light, because mine is really, really sparse. Get some more pomade on the brush and darken the area wherever it needs it. So I need it right in here. Oh, too much product. That happens. My advice is that your finger is your friend. You can always rub it off or put a little brush. You can tap your foundation brush across it if you need to. There's a lot of product on this brush still, as you can see. So I'll start in the beginning of the next eyebrow, making my upward strokes. And then I'll like lay it flat to see how much product is here. See, there's still a lot of product on this brush. A lot. So I'm getting most of it all. And then I'll go in with my line if I have enough product. This is how I kind of like test how much product I have on the brush. Do you see? The more you use the brush, you can see how much product it is you really have left on it. You can take your brush and brush upward also to lay your hairs, because this product is really creamy. If you want yours more square, they can be more square. It's all about how you like to shape your eyebrows. Being up so close, they look more rounded and they look more like the Lorax. So at this point, I will go in with my concealer and outline my eyebrow. Like, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So you can put some on your brush, on the back of your hand. This is like excessive, that's like way too much, and that was like one squeeze of the product. And I will take my Sigma concealer brush, my F75, dab it very, very lightly. I have this much product on here. And then go under my eye and line it. So you can start from here, swipe across. You want to put as little product on the brush as possible so you can blend it in. You don't want to put too much. You don't want to put too much underneath your eyebrow because you don't want to have like a solid line going under your eyebrow. You can. It's harder to go over it with the brush once you've put it on versus the initial application. So now you have like a more pronounced and defined look. And you can blend that concealer in when you're done. And what I like to do is, look, very, very lightly, I'm going back in and dabbing the back of my hand. That's it. That's all the product I'm using. And I'm gonna go above my eyebrow and draw a line right here. If you want to take that line all the way around, you can. I don't always take it around, but sometimes I do. For purposes of this video, I'll take my line all the way around. That's a really pronounced look that you're gonna get from doing that. And the good thing with this brush is that it's so, and diffuse the line. I don't like a line going all the way across my eyebrow, so I don't always do this. But as you can see, I can blend it out, and it's not really like a difficult feat. And do the same thing with the other eyebrow. Blend it out as best as you can. So I'm already in a position where I have my foundation on. So it's kind of easy to blend it out. Use a beauty blender to blend it out. That's what I suggest. And then do the other eyebrow. So you can go from voila to... My James Charles palette giveaway is happening right now on Instagram, and I have another palette. Follow me on Instagram. There's a link in my banner. Oh, I tried a little cheetah eyeliner print or whatever. Thank you for watching. Bye.